Hi there, students. I had a question from AAA about the difference between to originate from, to spring from, or to stem from. Okay, I think in many ways these words are synonyms. Although, let's see, I think to originate from, I think I would use it particularly to talk about from a particular place, to come from a particular place, from a particular time, from a particular situation. So where do you originate from? Where were you born and brought up? This game is thought to have originated in the Middle East. It's the origin, where it first came from. I think to spring from, this is talking more about the results of something. To come as the result of something. So the fact that he was angry sprang from the fact that he felt very insecure. Yeah, so I guess you could say it originated from his insecurity. You could say that as well, but maybe his insecurity originated in his childhood. Okay, so to spring from, to come as a result of something. And then to stem from, to develop or come from something. Maybe the origin goes further back. So this belief stems from a medieval practice, what they used to do in medieval times. Although this medieval practice originated much further back in prehistory. So to stem from, to come from, to develop as a result of something. Okay, so to originate, to come into being, it's where it was first born. Yeah, to be created, to start from the very beginning. To spring from, to come from a place. Yeah, I guess my frustration springs from your unwillingness to take criticism. Yeah, my fear of spiders springs from, originates from in this case, a bad experience I had with a spider when I was a kid. Yeah, you can also say to spring forth, the water sprung forth. Yeah, I think originate has more an idea of talking about the very origin, whereas to spring from, to jump out from, to be propelled forward by. And then to stem from, the stem is the base of something. The stem of a tree is called the trunk. A plant has a stem which holds it up. So it's like a link from the origin to the present, something that is the foundation for it. A glass has a stem. So, I don't know, my fear of water stems from a bad experience. It's where it comes from, and I have developed that over time. I think what poverty stems from lack of education, for example, lack of opportunities. Okay, but I think maybe these lack of opportunities originate from unfairness in society. Yeah, the problems in the company stem from the inability of management to take clear decisions. Yeah, okay, you could say they spring from as well, and you could say they originate from. Although I think these words, the difference is just ever so slightly in nuance. Okay, so originate, it's talking about the origin. Yeah, to spring, to jump out of. And to stem, the stem is something that supports something else, something bigger or above. Okay, so to originate from, 5 in formality, use anywhere. To spring from, maybe 4.5 in formality, I wouldn't use it in something very formal. To stem from, 5 in formality, use anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To originate from, to spring from, to stem from, always with from. Bye for now.